So welcome guys. So today we are going with our meaning work. Just then in last videos we are doing what? We are making the home page for your insert and insert record.html. Now the continuing video third with the insert servlet.java. So here are some of the files you need to be import for that. So import that much files. This is code for insert servlet, that how you insert the value in the servlet. So let's going with that code. And now class that was called as public class insert servlet extends http servlets. It was class name insert servlet that was extending the http servlet. Now braces open, then override public void do get http servlet request http servlet response. This is for request and that for response. That now try is really necessary because without try it was showing you error the class not found exception. So in place of try you can also do with the public void do get http servlet request and http servlet response throws IO exception and SQL exception. Okay, then that works too. One important thing is that whatever you given the method in HTML page, that method is also given in this page. As I was given the get in that, so here I also giving the same method get. If I am giving their post, here also use post, otherwise it will show you error. Okay, so after try that was rs.set content type text HTML. This was because it was running our HTML page. If we don't use this content type, it will show you error. Okay, so next is print writer pw.rs.getWriter. In this our response is carried out, and whatever we want to we write, this only write through this line. This is very important. And now string I. In this I have to get value from my HTML page, and I was requested to get parameter from HTML page. As I was given there given in HTML page the name to text field as t1 for id, as so I was using that name t1. It's very necessary that given the same name which was given in the HTML page. In earlier video you saw that I was making three text field, id, name and address, and for id I was given the name t1, and for name I was giving t2, and for address we are giving t3. That's why I was given these, because I have to get the value from these. And now this was stored in the id was stored in I, and string type of string type, and address was in n, sorry, name was in n and address was in a. Now class.forName. This is class for building the connection with the database, and as I was using the sqlite database, so for that class name is like that, or org. This is external, for external because this was external file, so org.sqlite.jdbc. Now connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection jdbc sqlite c username pc document and your database name. Be aware that give the correct path of your database. Where your database place, give the correct path, as you have to be write jdbc sqlite dot I was repeating jdbc sqlite . Afterwards where the c is written, here you have to be given your database path. Okay, so my database is placed in document, so that's why I was giving the path, the document path. Okay, now at last where the college1.db is written, there I was giving my database name, whatever database name I was given in that. Okay, so For this you have to make the database earlier in sqlite. So prepare statement, ps is equal to count.prepare statement. Now write the query here, insert into student. Student is your table name, and values, and 3 question mark, because we have to get the 3 values. Now ps is prepare statement object, and then set string 1. For first text field we get the value from I, so as it is given for name and for address, and then the print the data submitted for successful message if your data is submitted. Otherwise you can return into insert record.html your HTML page, because request dispatcher help you to return to the page and dispatch you with the page. And if you don't write the correct field name or your problem with the database, so you left with the first page. Now important to be add the jar files at the library section, so go in the library and add jar, click add jar folder, don't directly copy paste it, and from this, as my jar file is this, so I was clicking on that and open, it was doing. So